Hi, hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's session, we'll be seeing an important subject in the 7th semester of mechanical engineering, that is the process planning and the cost estimation. The process planning and cost estimation, we will see a topic today, how to determine the selling price of a product. Before that, how to determine the selling price of a product, we must know a few terminologies, the components of the cost. Okay. Components of the costs. What are the components of the cost? There are 5 components in determining the selling price of the cost. They are 1. They are called the components of the cost. One is the primary cost, prime cost. Second one is the factory cost. Third one is the manufacturing cost. The fourth one is the total cost. The fifth one is the selling price. These are the 5 terminologies used in determining the cost of a product, the selling price of a product. The prime cost is nothing but the cost of raw materials and of raw materials and the manual labor. We need laborers, we need so much number of laborers to work. We have to see their wages, their allowances, they have to see the welfare cost, such as we have to give increment for them, we have to give some bonus for them in case of any emergency. They got in a case of medical emergency, we have to give them some amount for their treatment. That all cost comes under primary cost. Okay, factory cost. What is the factory cost? The factory cost is also called as a work cost. The factory cost is a cost in where we have many equipments. We will be using many machineries. For example, we will be using drilling machine, we will be using lathe, we will be using, for example, we will be using lathe, we will be using some drilling machines, we will be using some boring machines, we will be using reaming machines, we will be using many machines. That all cost comes under factory cost. Okay, one by one we will be seeing the components of the cost. I'll be going in some detail for primary cost now. Okay, primary cost, prime cost. What's a prime cost? The prime cost is also called as direct cost. The prime cost is also called as the direct cost. All the raw materials bought, and labor cost, direct labor cost, how much labors we need, direct labor cost, and other direct expenses of transportation expenses. All the expenses comes under this category of prime costs. Hence we call the name as prime cost or the direct cost. All direct expenses, raw materials are direct expenses, and direct labor cost is a direct expenses, direct all the direct expenses comes under this prime cost. So while calculating the primary cost, we will see this all the terminologies and we'll add up these terminologies. prime cost is equal to direct labor cost plus direct material cost plus direct expenses. All the word direct comes under the direct cost. For remembrance, you have to keep this. In the problem, they'll be giving you all the direct expenses. They'll be giving so much number of direct expenses or any direct expense. The name starting with direct, any expense starting with the name direct comes under primary cost. Just you have to observe this concept. This is a formula for calculating primary cost. Now the second terminology, that is the factory cost. Okay, factory cost. The factory cost is also called as work cost. The factory cost is the second step in the calculation of selling price. Okay, so already I said the factory cost consists of the equipment on running the factories. We have to see the current for running the machines, electrical supply for electrical expense for running the machines. We have to see some loading unloading capacities. We have to buy that machines also. We have to keep conveyors for that machines. We have to keep some supervisors for that controlling of that machines. We need for CNC machine, for operating CNC machines we will be needing a specified quality engineers for keeping that codes. Remember, we will be needing such expenses. We'll be getting such expenses. We will be have to for keeping the material that machines. We'll be needed a place, the workplace. We have to keep that after working. You have to keep some after keeping the work. That means after getting the raw materials, will be needed a place to keep it. After finishing that work also, after finishing the finished product, we will be needing some place. Right, that is called some will be needed a place. That places there will also have getting expenses for cleaning, for painting works. Will getting most of the expenses during that time. That all expenses comes under this factory cost. The factory cost is the second step in the estimation of selling price. So factory cost is equal to prime cost. The cost we got in the first step plus this cost, factory expenses. This is a formula for the factory, how to determine the factory cost. The third step is the production or manufacturing cost. This production cost is also called as manufacturing cost. It is otherwise also called as office cost. This cost is also called in three names: the production cost, manufacturing cost, and the office cost. This is the third step in finding the components of the cost. In this, we will get the production cost in handling cost, the time waste, lead time waste, and we'll be having to see the workers' expenses during working. We have to see the medical related terms. All this comes under this cost, but that's the production cost. The production time, we have to see if we having to manufacture 100 watches. We have to if okay, Titan company is going to manufacture 100 watches. Okay, time taken for one watch will be about take a 1 hour, not 1 hour, don't be 1 hour, it will be some of 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if it's taking 1 hour, then the company will be shut down. 10 minutes. Then time taken for 100 watches will be 100 minutes. Okay, so in this 100 minutes there will be so much workers. The body part will be made. The body part will be made in a machine. Then they will be applying lower body part. Then the higher body part will be made. First, the outer body part will be made. Next, the upper body part will be made. Down that we'll be using laser to type the name Titan. Then what happens? They'll be again typing waterproof content. How much it is waterproof? Then they'll be making their signature, some signature for Titan, some kind of signature. Then they'll be attaching the correct strap for them. Then they'll be taking quality checking. Then they'll keeping needles on this, on some angle. Such works will be done. Okay, for that they'll be taking so much amount of time. So production cost is equal to the factory cost. Production cost is equal to factory expenses is equal to expenses plus administrative expenses. Administrative expenses. Production cost is equal to administrative expenses. Okay, this is the third formula. Administrative expenses also comes under all the paperwork needed. Okay, all the paperwork will be needed now. That paperwork also comes under this production cost. The fourth is the total cost. The fourth component, this is total cost. This is also called as ultimate cost. The total expenses, that is total expenses, like this total expenses give for that all the products to be formed comes under this total cost. Total cost is also called as selling cost. It's also called as ultimate cost and also called as selling cost. But this is not a selling price, don't get confused. The total cost, they will be determining this is the total cost and they will be maintaining the MRP. But this is not a selling cost. Okay. Total cost is equal to manufacturing cost, that is the production cost, plus selling expenses. You need marketing now. The selling expenses is advertisement given for the Shah Rukh Khan. Some Shah Rukh Khan will be coming, some Deepika Padukone will be coming. They have to give them lakhs and lakhs for rupees for for giving an advertisement. Then all the product will be reached to the people. They'll be also taking some kind of huge amount of money. And distribution expenses, we have to transfer the product to the marketplace. Hence, we need some kind of amount. Distribution expenses, like that. The total cost is equal to manufacturing cost plus the selling expenses plus distribution expenses. This is the formula to find the total cost. Now finally the selling price is determined. Selling price is equal to total cost plus profit. Okay, total cost is not the MRP. Okay, selling price is the MRP. Total cost is the total cost that got wasted, that we gave, that the manufacturer gave for making that product, plus selling price is we will be needing some profit now. If you are buying, I am going to make this pen, I am going to sell this marker, I made this marker. Okay, this marker I just made it for 100 rupees, I just made it for 20 rupees. Now I'll be adding some, I need some profit, so I'll be making 5 rupees as a profit and I'll be selling this marker. In a similar way, total cost is 20 rupees for this marker and the profit is 5 rupees. The selling price was 25 rupees. Like that, they will be selling the product. This is the selling formula for finding the selling price. Then the manufacturer wants some, this is a selling price. Okay, now additionally, if a manufacturer wants some want to give some discount for the product, then the price will be termed as market price. This will be not asked in a exam point of view. We will be asking till selling price for exam point of view, but you have to know the market price, because when you are going to make some business in the future, you will be also needing this. You should also be estimating this topic, this price, selling price. So you have to know this. Market price is selling price plus discount. The market we know. Selling price plus discount. This is market price and the selling price plus discount. In exam point of view, we will be stopping till the selling price, and the future use you should know this market price also. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching. Bye.